Good day everyone, my name is Trisha Pacalder from BS Ed English 1A, and for today's video we are going to answer these 5 questions given by our professor from Principles and Theories of Language Acquisition and Learning. And the first question is, what is the development or history of contrastive and error analysis? Contrastive analysis emerged in the 1950s as a method to predict areas of difficulty for second language learners by comparing the systems of 2 languages. It aimed to identify structural differences between the native language and the target language. Meanwhile, error analysis gained prominence in 1960s and 1970s as researchers shifted their focus from predicting errors to analyzing actual errors made by second language learners. Error analysis aimed to understand the sources and significance of these errors in the broader framework of second language learning. And question number 2. How errors were committed and what is its relation towards second language acquisition? Errors are an integral part of language learning and second language acquisition. Learners of English as a second language may be unaware of specific rules or systems in the English language, leading to errors in their language production. Error analysis examines both correct and incorrect utterances of learners to understand how learning occurs. So question number 3. What are the versions of contrastive analysis hypothesis and what are the criticisms? The contrastive analysis hypothesis proposed the differences between the native and target language determine areas of difficulty for second language learners. However, a stronger version of contrastive analysis hypothesis solely attributed all errors to interference from the native language. This was criticized for oversimplification and neglecting other factors. Critics argued that contrastive analysis hypothesis failed to account for errors not influenced by the native language and ignored semantic development and interlanguage studies. So question number 4. What are the differences of contrastive and error analysis in relation to second language acquisition? Contrastive analysis compares language systems to predict difficulties for language learners, while error analysis studies actual errors to understand their sources. Contrastive analysis predicts potential errors based on language differences, while error analysis examines both correct and incorrect utterances to understand the learning process. However, contrastive analysis oversimplifies second language acquisitions and neglects their factors, while error analysis provides a comprehensive view of the learning process. And so we're on to the last question, which is, explain interlanguage theory. Interlanguage theory suggests that learners create a distinct language systems called interlanguage while learning a second language. This system differs from both their native language and their target language, and consists a set of linguistic rules that can generate novel utterances. Interlanguage theory explains how individuals acquire a second language and provides insights into the process of second language learning. However, some learners tend to stop developing their interlanguage grammar toward the target language norm, a phenomenon called fossilization. So those are my response for those 5 questions. And that's all for today. Bye!